Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Manur Khan from Snap City and today we're in Tiramisu having iftar here. We have Muzammil and Hamna with us. Hamna is a YouTuber, influencer and a blogger, and Muzammil is our ex-creator of House of Laws. Assalamualaikum, how are you?
Walaikum assalam. We're good.
You guys are doing great. How did you guys like the iftar?
It was pretty good.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
You really did? What was your favorite thing?
The beef thing. It was really good. I had it with rice.
Okay, so Muzammil, we're going to start with you. Just a little bit questions of House of Laws.
Yeah.
So can you please tell us how it all started? Because I have been a very big, huge fan and I just really want to know where it all began from. Where did you get the idea?
So House of Laws was called Law Studios before, and it basically started off as a photography page. जो कि basically मैंने in 2010 December 2010 मैंने एक photography page बनाया. उस ज़माने में हर कोई बनाता था. मैंने कहा चलो मैं भी बना लेता हूँ. You know, average out छोटी मोटी तस्वीरें पत्तों की इस तरह की वो तस्वीरें खींचना शुरू की. I started a project called 500 Days of Laws, which was basically taking a photo a day for 500 days, and I carried that for like 400 days, and then उस particular project का एक काम ये था कि we wanted to make sure कि हर तस्वीर जो है ना वो unique हो, and I was really interested in how people were responding to that particular content. So slowly and steadily I started trying out new things as well. One of those things was vlogs, time lapses. So by 2012, we had completely shifted from photography to videography. So I had a partner at that time, who was also part of House of Laws eventually as well. So हम दोनों साथ मिलके करते थे photography and then eventually vlogs. And then in 2013, we did the major elections wali campaign, जिसमें हमने 8 episodes बनाई थी to get people to go out and vote, and then you know, the rest is history. After that, we just came up with content here and there every now and then. We were primarily like what I'd call myself would be a digital content artist.
So you guys were 11 people.
Yeah, eventually we were 11.
So how did that start? Where did you guys all gather up and how did you guys meet? How was that?
So we were all class fellows actually at FAST, and we so Law Studios existed separately, but we as friends used to create a lot of content for our physics presentation and English presentation. And वो university में नहीं होता कि आप जो है ना कैमरा पड़ा हुआ एक दोस्त के पास कैमरा चलो, you know, let's do something creative. And उसमें we saw that, you know, we have a good chemistry going on, so why don't we actually create something together? And that's again, the elections campaign was the first time that I basically got all of those boys to, you know, come in and just say a few lines in those videos. And then it worked really well. So उसके बाद से we you know, sort of experimented a bit with the videos, and then eventually वो इतनी अच्छी fluent किस्म की team और chemistry बन गई हुई थी कि, you know, we just went ahead with that.
Okay, so Hamna, where did the idea of vlog come to you?
I was obviously I was just one of those people that was using social media for Facebook and, you know, for everything that it is, how most people use it. But I saw that a lot of people were coming up and doing things, but I didn't find anybody who was bringing up daily life issues or talking about very small things that they could, you know, talk about. So I saw that people were talking about war, and people were talking about poverty, and people were talking about women empowerment, and, you know, whatnot. But people were not bringing up daily life issues that we all needed to work on for a better society. So I spoke to him about it and I said, you know, why doesn't anyone do that? And he said, so tum kar lo, why don't you do it? And I said, main kaise kar sakti hu? But then because he kept saying that uske baad do it like in random conversation, and I really didn't think I would. But just one day I picked up my selfie cam and, you know, I started addressing people and I started talking about small things that matter, which is the hashtag I use as well. So, and slowly and steadily, matlab pata bhi nahi chala, and people started following me and listening to me.
So,
yeah.
You know how Snap City,
yeah,
is about positive vibes only as well. So what do you think the future holds for positive vibes?
I think it's a great idea because I'm all about positivity and, you know, bringing out the good side. And I feel like you guys are doing a great job because you were showing the positive side, either through people or things that are happening. So I think that this is a great idea, and if you stick to the vision and what you actually aim to achieve, then you will get somewhere. Yeah, you'll get somewhere big, inshallah.
So back to you and House of Laws. So, okay, what was your favorite video? Like, not the famous one, just generally the one you had like a lot of fun while making it.
So basically we sent a message of support to people in Paris, and I'll sort of explain why that was my favorite, because that piece of content truly showed what the potential of content could possibly be. It had 40 million views across the world. It got featured on major networks across the globe, and the way that we were able to create a very small, simple message in a matter of 2 hours, put it out there, and were able to reach out to such a huge audience from such a very diverse background. उसकी वजह से मेरे लिए कंटेंट की डेफिनेशन चेंज हो गई थी उसके बाद से. मेरे लिए ये चेंज हो गया था कि यार कंटेंट अगर बनाना है तो वो किस किस्म का बनाना है, बिकॉज इट शुड बी मीनिंगफुल एंड उसकी असल में वही वाली बात है ना, जब आप वैसे कर रहे होते हैं तो हम लोगों के लिए और स्पेशली डिजिटल आर्टिस्ट इन जनरल के लिए जब आप कंटेंट बना रहे होते हैं तो आपको समझ नहीं आता कि उससे क्या हो रहा है. वो नंबर्स आ रहे हैं, राइट. 20 लाख लोगों ने देख लिया, आपको समझ नहीं आती कि यार 20 लाख लोगों ने एक्चुअली देखा है, राइट. उसका ना पावर समझ आती है, आप बस इकट्ठे होते हैं, शुगर लगाते हैं, निकाल देते हैं. दैट पर्टिकुलर वीडियो जस्ट चेंज्ड for me the understanding of what we were doing here, what we were doing when we were sitting together creating content.
So why did you change the name, and do you think changing the name brought an impact on the views or in anything whatsoever?
The thought at that time was that we were actually looking to expand into a content network. We were trying to, at that point, what we wanted to do was to go into multiple different parallel functions in terms of content. कि जी हम चाह रहे थे कि हम म्यूजिक की साइड पे भी आएँ, हम कॉमेडी भी रखें, हम थोड़ा सा current affairs की तरफ भी आएँ. Unfortunately, I guess we failed. I'll put it out there, we failed. And उसमें हमारी learning जो हुई थी वो ये हुई थी कि उस टाइम पे एक तो ये कि the market wasn't ready for it. YouTube hadn't opened up. Facebook का mechanism of how the video discovery mechanism wasn't that strong. अब आजकल तो ये ना कि वीडियो आती है तो साथ ही दूसरी चल जाती है. You have related videos showing up. वो नहीं था, discovery बहुत difficult थी. But more than that, I guess. So I mean that was why House of Laws sort of happened. It was basically a house of all the separate functions. Yeah, that was going to happen.
So how long has it been for you?
So basically I started with Snapchat, right? So I started 1 year ago. I remember it was 19th April 2016. Yeah, that was the first time I did a video on Snapchat, and I didn't even name it Positive Vibes Only shuru mein. The name came later when I realized okay, this is what it's about and this is how it should be, and my vision started becoming clear. And so yeah, it's been 1 year, and mashallah, slowly pehle Snapchat se shuru hua tha, then I made a website and then YouTube videos.
How has been the feedback so far?
The feedback has been overwhelming because I thought shuru hoga, and I didn't even know if I would be able to reach out to people and get the message that I'm trying to give, but it happened. And I got messages from people telling me that I had changed their life to the point that मुझे रोना आ जाता था लोगों के messages पढ़ के कि I have created an impact. Yeah, like I didn't think I could do that.
Achha, so now we're gonna move to a little personal questions about you two and your married life. Okay, so Muzammil, you have to tell us her favorite habit that you make.
I think it's her energy. She's always really full of energy. Yeah, full of life. She's like थोड़ी चीज़ी बात है, but I always tell her that she's my sunshine, because वो जो आपको होता है ना कि आपको आप सुबह उठते हैं, आपको होता है यार मैं क्या मेरी ज़िंदगी है, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ. And then there's Hamna, and she's always motivating you, and that energy is my favorite, I guess, part of it.
Your turn, Hamna. Same question. Favorite habit.
It's not exactly the same thing, but it's kind of the same thing that Muzammil is always so driven and so motivated about everything that he does and about anything that I share with him, that it's contagious, because he is so motivated that I all of a sudden feel like I feel motivated, and he makes me feel like it's very easy to achieve my dreams. If I tell them to him, he will make it seem like हाँ तो हम कर लेंगे तो हो जाएगा, like you know, just constantly motivating.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Do you guys have any secret ritual or like a tradition that you guys have been doing for a while now?
We shake hands every time we have like 10,000 new followers.
We do this. Mubarak ho.
Okay, annoying habit.
I guess she's too
Just say it.
timelined. She's an army brat, right? तो वो particular कि everything has to be on time, वो चीज़ हम civilian लोग नहीं ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से कर सकते.
थोड़ा सा मुश्किल.
हम कहते हैं हम 10 मिनट में आ रहे हैं तो हम आधा घंटा लगाते हैं.
You, annoying habit.
Obviously because I'm so punctual and so particular about time, मेरे लिए सबसे frustrating यही होता है कि yeah, Muzammil is just, it's annoying that Muzammil is always making me wait. खाना लग गया, खाना खा लें, wait. कहीं जाने 10 मिनट निकलना है, wait. So I'm just basically, it's the most annoying part that I have to wait.
Okay, so before going, I want you guys to tell me what you guys think about Snapchat.
I think what you guys are doing is actually very interesting and very cool, to be honest. It's something जो कि I think one of you guys reached out maybe a month ago, and उस वक्त I was a little confused कि ये क्या हो क्या रहा है. Now that I actually see कि, you know, the way that you guys are going, and it's actually very creative, very unique. A lot of people are actually coming on digital media and coming up with a lot of interesting new ideas, but ये Snap City की particular बात मुझे ये लगी है कि it's actually very raw. It's very creative and very raw. So I think I see a good future, and I hope कि you guys stick to the vision, stick to the creativity of it. बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने देखा है कि quickly people jump on the commercial bandwagon. I would prefer personally कि you don't do that, but as long as that.
Actual vision and you know what you say.
Yeah,
Because
absolutely.
you know experience से कह सकते हैं कि बहुत distracting होता है. Like when you start getting bigger and you know आपकी collaboration होना शुरू हो जाती है और brands आना शुरू हो जाते हैं, तो it's very easy to get distracted.
Yeah.
And, you know, lose sight of your vision. But just keep that up. So
Thank you so much, guys, for being here with us today.
thank you so much for the study and
For having us.
Welcome. It was the best time ever. Thank you so much. We're signing off. Manur Khan, Snap City, Islamabad.